Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs.
Can you dig it? What you doing playing with some straws, man?
Y'all check this out. I can drive anything under the sun. Jump on a zero-turn lawnmower, run into the house, the car, the trees, and everything in the yard.
Yo, you ain't doing that story no justice. Yo, guys, we just finished cutting the grass at my house. So Billy Bob never. I didn't know Billy Bob never drove a zero-turn before. So he got on it and he was getting down. I was like, okay, I'm in good hands. The next thing I know, I hit it. He's up in the peach tree. I got a little bit, hit the peach tree, jumped in some surrounding bricks. I was like, hey, go look at me. Hey, look at me. Instead of cutting the machine off, he gonna look at me.
Yeah, looking at you like you did it. You did. You did. You knew better than that.
Yeah, I know better now.
Back to business.
All right.
All right, you guys and girls. Today we'll be diagnosing a squeal that the customer is complaining about on a 92 Ford Ranger. So we'll get that done and we'll be right back.
All right, let me go over here and pop this hood.
All right. Now, the thing don't look pretty bad, do it?
No, for a 92, nope.
No. All right. First off, what we want to do is
Let me do on this side so I can see.
yeah, and then shade. Customer was complaining is like it's a water pump squeal. So 9 times out of 10, yeah, 9 times out of 10, you have a belt, tension, or a pulley or something like that that will give an indication. For one, you see the grooves in this belt, so you know you have a double problem, or maybe you might have one. Okay, I'm just wobbling everything up and down, make sure there's nothing wobbly or nothing like that. Oh wow, you see that? It's the groove right there.
Oh, in the idler pulley over there.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see if I get that. Get up away.
That boy diagnosed a car. Can't even drive a zero turn. See the groove right there?
Yeah. Okay.
But let me check that to make sure it's got a little slight wobble to it, but it wouldn't be nothing major.
Okay.
What? Okie dokie. Clutch is on. Let's try this water pump here. No wobble, but uh-oh. There you go, listen.
What's that?
Listen. You hear it?
What the heck is that?
See how hard that thing is, like this. There you go, Chad. See?
What? Turn the other way.
It won't do it.
I just heard it.
Yeah, it's squeal that way, but it's not
But the other way. Wow.
grinding and grabbing, see?
Oh. Oh, wait a minute. I see something like sticking out of it, the back of it.
So I can't see
that?
from your angle.
I see something back there like a piece of metal or something. So what's that? Fan clutch.
Yep.
All right, dang, it looks like we're going to be doing a fan clutch.
Oh, look, see this?
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh,
Damn it, man. You all late to the game.
You ought to say that.
All right, so
See?
we're gonna order us a fan clutch and get this changed. We'll be right back.
All right, you guys. What I'm going to do is I'll be removing this hose. Also, you have an 8mm bolt right there. So I'm trying to get this done before butt head get back, cause you know he gives you a hard time when he wants to. So now let's see. Once you remove this hose and the bolts on each end, which you see is one. Look, come on. There. The other bolt used to be, but it's not there. So you know you have a problem with that. And I also noticed too. Let me see if I can zoom in. I only have 2 bolts. So apparently you have 2 missing, or maybe it just came with 2. So I gotta take that out. But you already know. It's supposed to have 4 bolts. Be right back. Alright, you guys. I was using the one hand, so I went ahead on, removed that bolt. Here's your line. You Just want that.
Get the way. Get the way. Pull the line through here. Take this. You got the washer fluid. Don't stick it in here. Go over here to the radiator coolant. Stick it in there.
Hey, you know this gonna suck to that train.
Yeah, it's good. All right. Give it here. Go ahead.
All right, now what was that?
What the heck? Did he hit this camera, this mic up against something?
No. Unless the chair did it while I was in the back there.
Dumbass.
It happens. All right. Now, what you want to do next is man, what you do with my wrench, man? I tell you about touching stuff that don't belong to you. Now that I've
Well, guys, we're gonna make this easier. I'm gonna get a drain pan. We're gonna unhook this hose, pull this out of the way. Let's get this. Let's do this right so they can see it, man.
Man, look. Once you, Tim.
What?
Do I gotta teach you everything?
Okay, go ahead then.
All
Go
right.
ahead.
Now,
I'm telling you, it's gonna be easy because you gotta take the belt off, man. There's only studs down there. You gotta take the belt off because it's gonna. I'm telling you. I'm trying to warn you right now. You gotta take the belt off. So I'm trying to tell you to take the hose out the way, make it easy. But go ahead with your hard-headed self.
okay, you guys. Once you remove the bolts, that's here. Remove your hose. What you want to do is get your 10 wrench. You want to come down on the water pump. You want to basically that bolt there won't even tight. Don't drop your wrench down. Cause if your shroud is completely round, you will not be able to take this fan out.
Can I say something? How many bolts are in there?
2.
And how many bolts supposed to be in there?
4.
So why don't you tell them?
I already told him this.
Oh.
See, you late. See, now I'm getting ready to tell you something in a minute. You want to do this or you want me to record? Huh?
You know, wait a minute. You know when you take those 2 bolts out, all that tension on this belt is going to turn that pulley clockwise.
Man, it ain't gonna turn, Tim.
Okay,
it's gonna
go
stay
ahead.
right there.
This ain't the studs in here. These are the bolts. It's gonna pop. Go ahead. You hard-headed. Go ahead. I'm gonna just let them go ahead. Go ahead.
It's gonna stay right there. It's gonna stay right there.
I'm gonna let them watch you.
It's gonna stay right there.
They're gonna watch you. I'm gonna look at your face. When you see that, they go pop. I'm gonna look at your face.
It's gonna stay right there. It's supposed to be sitting on a little house. Man, I wish you'd have brought me a speed wrench. You know, that would have worked out a lot better.
You want a speed wrench?
I would have gladly had appreciated.
Do you want one now?
Yeah, I'll take one now.
All right, I'll be right back. I don't know why people hard-headed, man. Try to tell him something. Look at him. Oh, hard-headed. Try to teach them something. If it's the studs that do that, and he's still over there. Don't take him off. Hard-headed. I'm gonna go ahead and get him a speed wrench. All right, here we go. Got our blue point set right here. 10 millimeter. All right, let's go see. Let's see what the heck he's talking about. Oh, way in the back, man. This car way back here. Look at it. Sad and pathetic looking. Big. What's that big dust thing on the side of his phone? Here you go.
Man, thank you. I'm gonna tell you something, man.
What?
If hell gonna be this hot, I don't wanna go. I'm just speaking. Cause good God Almighty, I got me sitting directly in the sunlight. I'm already.
Well, if you would have did it my way, would have put the hose, would have moved the hose out the way. You would have been able to get to those bolts better. Would have loosened the bolts up, took the belt off. It's one serpentine belt, and popped the whole thing. But you hard-headed. Go ahead now. You got one bolt. All that time you got one bolt. Go ahead.
And I didn't have any tools either. Man, I pray this thing just comes right off.
I know you pray because you love to shut me up, won't you? You okay? Go ahead.
Yeah. They call me Monks, you see. Wow. Look, Tim. That is so amazing. You see that?
No, I don't see nothing yet.
Man, my wrench won't click over. Man, it's about a crying shame.
ahead. Take it out. See? Look at him. If you look at his arm over there stuck between that hose. Look at it.
What you mean?
Look at that. Had that hose out the way, you would have been in there with no problem.
Don't worry about that hose.
Okay, I ain't gonna worry about it. I ain't
Don't
gonna
worry about that hose.
I ain't gonna worry about nothing.
Don't worry about that. You just worry about my finger getting caught between this belt in a few minutes. Wow. Look at there. He's spinning me away. You like that?
Okay, go ahead, man.
You like that?
Go ahead. You need my help with anything?
I don't need you to do nothing but hold that camera. Now.
Go ahead.
Man, it's
Go ahead. Take it off.
It's another boat down there somewhere. That thing is on tight.
Damn right. I'm looking at the boat right now. I'm looking at the boat right here. Now go ahead. Get that boat underneath there. You had that fan. You had that hose out the way you get it.
You told me one with 2 boats in there.
I know. I asked you. You said it was 2 boats.
Nah, you told me it was 2. You said that third, it's for the. See, then now you got me lying to my people.
That's your people, huh?
Yeah, got me lying to my people. They ain't gonna come up there and like. Hold on.
See, look at you.
They ain't gonna like and subscribe. We don't do this right now. Do me a favor, man. Do me a favor. Thank you. Block that sun for me. You know about flying to the back.
If you ask for some help, maybe I'll hold the wrench on over here with my hand right here. But you don't want no help? I'll take my hand out of here.
Man, I ain't asked you for you here.
All right, go ahead then. Go ahead. Take that bolt out with one hand. Go ahead.
Man,
take it out with one hand.
I turned it, but you know. If I ask you for something, you can't get it. I tell you what I need. I need a fan, a good cold drink, and a paper towel.
Come on, take the bolt out.
I'm trying to get it. It just, you don't want to be saved.
You need me to hold the whole thing up there? You need me to hold the wrench up there? Hold the ratchet up there? The wrench? Huh?
Actually, see, you taking my place now. You want to do the junk talking while I do the work.
Yeah, go ahead. Take that bolt out. Go ahead. Go ahead. What you gonna do?
I'm gonna take this boat out of here.
Yeah. I like to see that. I like to see you take that bolt out of there. You go ahead, take that bolt out of there. Go ahead, take that bolt out of there. Shut me up.
Tim. I'm getting ready to tell you something.
Yeah, he getting that bolt out of there? Well, he tried his best. Well, he want to give me that big grin on his face. He tried. Look at that. Look at him. He tried. That alien.
Oh man, the day has been a funny day.
Yes. You got the boat?
Nah, man, I can't get it. Hit me.
Okay, all right. I see you got the boat.
Help me get that boat.
Okay, go ahead, man. Go ahead. You got 3 boats. You got 3 boats out. Go ahead. It's hot back here.
Sure is.
Go ahead.
I need a pry bar.
Huh?
Man, that thing's stuck.
What you want?
I need a pry bar. That joker is woo-wee.
All right, guys. I'll be right back. Let me go get him a pry bar now. You want the long one or the short one? We got the red one in there?
Yeah, I take the long one.
The long one?
Yeah.
All right, be right back. I don't know. Yo, guys, when I came up, he was fumbling around something. Man, I don't know what he was doing to try to make himself look good.
I won't fumbling on nothing.
Yeah, come on,
show
man.
you how I fumble this daggone fan out of here. I don't know what this was that you bought me, but you could have bought me something better than this, like a hammer or something like that.
Yo, you asked for a pry bar. You need me to hold. You can get that, man. Go ahead, man. You need me to hold? Okay, I ain't gonna help you. Go ahead. You need me to hold the hose out the way?
Did you see that?
I'm looking at your face. I got you.
Man, don't get that. I'm sweating like crazy too.
You need me to hold the hose out the way?
I don't need you to do nothing but hold that camera. Now look what you made me do.
Put it up on the cart, man. What you doing?
Now, told you about messing with me. best. I'm the best. Huh?
Man, it would have still been easy. All right.
Huh?
But hey, I give you credit. You got it out there. Go ahead, put that boat back. Line that back. Go ahead, turn that back in there.
Look at that.
Go ahead.
Best.
Okay, all right.
Now.
All right. Here's the new clutch.
All right. What you guys want to do now?
Show them the new one.
I'm gonna show them this when I get to it.
Yeah.
You want to get you a 10 socket, ratchet, wrench, whatever you want to do, and just hold this thing, which I wish we could have done this before we took it off. You want to break all your bolts. Man, what in the world is this on my daggone leg? You notice on the front of the on the front of the fan, it says front. All right. What you want to do, basically want to make sure all your bolts are the same length. You know, because folk will rig up some stuff. So, but 9 to my 10, it should be original. So, yeah, all the bolts should be the same size.
I like that, man. I like that. That boy showed some confidence. That's what I'm talking about. No matter what anybody says and how a job is supposed to be done, he took the initiative. He said, "I'm gonna do it this way," and he did it too. He shut me up.
That's right.
All right, I give you credit,
Right.
man.
Bad man.
I don't know, cause you know some people, man, they like to tell you, "Nah, you doing it wrong. You doing it wrong."
I'm gonna do it my way.
I hear you, man.
Show you.
You know I hear you.
It could be done more than one way. Some people will say, there is no wrong as long as it's done.
That's my saying, man.
I know, I just had to change it.
You need some people.
I know, I just had to change it.
Change nothing. Man.
Oh,
Change nothing.
yeah.
What?
Well, I forgot. Yeah. Here's your new clutch fan.
I know, but you ain't say nothing to nobody.
Yeah, because you were talking to me. You see? Wow, wait, whoa, how'd it happen? Man, you won't believe me. Well, I guess I won't be using those. All right. We'll be using the new bolts and nuts.
Wait a minute, you tried to put the old bolts in there? You tried to put the old bolts in there?
No, man, I ain't
You
tried to.
You tried that?
No, man, I would never try no mess like that.
Okay, all right. You gonna tell us what you're doing or what, man?
Yeah.
What you opening up?
Give me a minute. I'm getting ready to tell you. I got to get my mess right. You got to get it right so you know what you're doing. All right. These are your new bolts. Your new washers, your lock washers. What you want to do is go ahead and get your lock washers on your bolts. Y'all got to forgive me because I'm moving a little fast. It's hot sitting out here in this sun. Mosquitoes eat me up. Gnats all in my ears, hollering and whistling, and you know, trying to avoid all that. All right. You wanna?
Here, man. Here. I'll hold it. Go ahead.
Man, you ask you to hold it for me.
Forget you then. Go ahead, feature. I should kick it.
And I'm gonna leave it right there. All right. You wanna line all your holes up. Make sure all your holes are lined up. Go ahead and get your boat started. Just start your boats. Make sure everything goes in nice and lovely. Dang it.
You want some help?
I ain't ask you for your help. How about this? Look, you thought you would knock it out of my hand, didn't you? You gave yourself up when you stepped back. All right, we'll go ahead and get all these on.
Knock those things across the yard.
And then we got to go to the truck and find some more. All righty. Now, take a 10 socket, wrench, whichever one you want to use. Tighten this joker back up. You don't have to be muscle bound.
Hey, can you show us this bad one again?
Yeah, I'll show it to you.
I figured I had to ask.
Well, you should have saw it the first time. You heard it, didn't you? You see how this thing is?
Matter of fact, let me see inside there. I can see the bearings.
Yep, all the bearings.
Yeah, I can see one of them coming out right there too.
Listen at it.
Hey man, it's enough.
Oh,
Thank God.
I should have known better because you stepped back on me again, but it's alright.
Yo, hold it. I'm gonna offer some more advice. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. I'm gonna offer some more advice. Yeah, let's see if Big Bad Billy Bob.
I'm gonna tell you in a minute. Now, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna walk over there to the truck. You notice I only had 3 bolts. I can possibly go to the truck and match up another bolt to stick in, and now I have 4. You want to do it the right way. You don't want the customer to say, okay, well,
all 4 there. Okay.
We didn't have all 4 of the bolts.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead, man. Shut up.
So now, what I'm gonna do now is just to, cause I know what you're thinking.
Okay, all right. You got me.
I'm gonna stick this bolt here and make sure I
No,
hit this
man.
hole.
No. Don't put it up there. Because that's the one that was missing. Just in case that, that bolt
yeah, in
was
case
stripped
it might
out.
have broke
No,
down.
man.
Yeah.
Put it on the bottom one. So
Man.
hold up. Put it on the bottom one. There you go.
You happy now?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Go ahead. It ain't going in there, huh?
Yeah, it went in there.
So won't you leave it in there then? Did you leave it in there? Told you, man. That thing is crooked, man. That thing is crooked. Told you remove the belt, but you're hard headed.
Man, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong. Look, watch it. Look, you see it go in all the holes. See that thing is right, man. That thing is right.
You want to remove the belt now? You want to remove the belt? Do you want to remove the belt?
Look, man, I don't know what you talking about, man. I don't know what you talking about.
I bought the tool over there. I bought the tool over there to remove the belt.
I don't know what you talking about.
Want to open that tool up and get that?
I don't know what you talking about. I don't need that tool.
Huh?
I don't need that tool.
Okay, go ahead then.
Suppose I'm in the yard somewhere and I don't have that tool.
Go ahead, man.
That tool to do it with.
You can use a regular ratchet.
Man, I'm so good I put a pair of vice grips on the end of that thing and move.
All right. I'm trying to help him out because with all that, I'm trying to help him out. Yeah, go ahead, Big Bad Billy Bob.
Yeah. They call me Muxie Shade. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm gonna stick this shroud halfway in, right?
It's easier if you take that belt off now. You get in there, that door. It's easy to take it off right now. It's easy to take that belt off right now. You can't be right all the time, man. You gotta give me some credit for something, man.
Okay.
You gonna take the belt off?
Yeah. Give me a sec.
Oh, he
I'm
gonna
gonna put my fan
He
in there.
gonna be smart. All right. Go ahead then.
They call me Muxie Shade. Now, you all do not want to bust that radiator. Please don't bust that radiator. I ain't gonna beg you. If you going to the junkyard or wherever you going. Tim,
What?
why you following me, man?
I'm the cameraman.
You ain't supposed to follow me like that. I mean, my God. Let me breathe some. Daggone. Gosh almighty.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, okay. Now, hot diggity dog a day in the morning. Y'all see that there?
I don't see nothing.
Bad man. So, what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna walk on over here. I'm gonna grab my little nut that I took off. Grab my little 8 socket. I'm gonna kindly walk back over here. Put that bolt right back in there. Just like that. Oh, caught my daggone finger. Now, you take notice it's broke, but you can still use it. So what I'm gonna do is just hold that joker right there like that. Man, my glove is caught on everything in the neighborhood. All right, getting started. We're gonna get this party started right. Now that I got that snug, man. Daggum it. I should have been using that rag to wipe my forward with. I mean my 7-piece with. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, probably for the carburetor cleaner and transmission fluid on that rag. All right, now as you notice, I'm tightening my shroud. I know y'all probably asking yourselves or wondering, why is he doing that now?
I'm not saying nothing. I'm wondering.
That way I don't have to hold the trowel up and then the clip fan at the same time. So if it so happens that I may need to reach down there and grab that tensioner, guess what? I can, and I'm doing it one person.
What do you mean grab tension? You said you gonna do this without tension.
What you mean?
Go ahead, man. I'm gonna see this. This is gonna be good.
What you mean? What you mean I can do without the tensioner? Huh? Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you such mess? Who told you such mess? Now, I'm doing this one person.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So what I'm gonna do is now, I don't have to go in all that bull and say,
oh, are you? Wait a minute, man. You gotta let them know what you're doing. What is you doing?
I'm talking to them. I'm gonna let them know.
Okay, I want to know what they're doing. I want to know what you're doing.
Now, Tim said I gotta remove that belt. I ain't gonna remove that belt. I'm gonna push down on this joker on my tensioner. Push down on that tensioner.
Wait, what are you using?
I'm using a ratchet, you guys.
What size ratchet?
A short one. That's
3/8 drive ratchet.
That's
all
the one.
Go ahead. What you doing?
All right. Now what I'm gonna do is find that hole for that bottom bolt, just to get a little tension off. You know what I mean? You don't want to put too much. You don't really have to. It better go past that daggone slot right there. Hot diggity dog a day in the morning. Woo, woo. That guy's good. That guy is good. Uh-oh, now I forgot which one of these jokers had that stud in. Basically called all up. Hold on, which one had that stud in there?
What you mean the stud? Which one didn't have nothing in it?
Yeah.
The top one. The two on the sides and the bottom one had a bolt. Come on. This guy know what he's doing. Hit him.
Yeah. Well, hey, do me a favor.
Oh, do you a favor?
Yeah.
What you want?
Get out of my way. Now what I'm gonna do is, I already got. I ain't actually touching nothing.
You ain't touching nothing. I'm gonna touch nothing. I'm gonna see you do this.
Now, stay there. And don't you move again. Till I tell you to move. Don't you move no more. Now, I'm gonna come right back around here. And I'm gonna go ahead on it.
Yeah.
Tim, why you keep shaking the car, man? You keep shaking the car, man.
I'm shaking the car. Man, you want me to keep the tension on this over here? Do you want me to keep the tension on this belt? If you want me to keep the tension on the belt, I'll keep the tension on the belt.
I want you to do
ask for some help. Why you gotta be like people who don't know how to ask for help?
I want you to do nothing but get out of my way.
Okay, all right.
Daggone.
Go ahead.
And stop shaking the truck, man. It'll stay on there. Shoot, got me redoing stuff 1,000 times. I shouldn't have to do all this. I ain't never had to do all this. I probably got my stuff all out of alignment, all out of whack.
You want me to hold the tension?
I ain't asked you to hold the tension.
All right, fine.
I ain't asked you to hold the tension. I'll tell you what I will do. I'll be smart this time.
What you do?
I'm gonna be smart this time. Be like the witch off the Wizard of Oz.
I'll fix you, my pretty.
Even now and then I do at least hand you a two. Can you give me that speed wrench, please, sir?
Where is it?
I mean, if you don't want to give me the speed wrench, I ain't got to use it.
Here.
I mean, you feel like that about the wrench.
Oh,
No, you know what? Don't even worry about it, man.
He got it, right.
Don't even worry about
You
it.
keep talking now.
See, I don't need you in my way, no way. See, got to do it, man. Man, I'm trying to tell you, it's good help is hard to find, you guys. I just had to fire this guy. I believe I just gonna have to do that.
You gonna make me start this car and they gonna call you Stanky. Cause you gonna mess all over yourself.
Yeah, with my head in all kinds of fashion.
You like your friend Mr. Hanky.
Yeah. I tell you.
Howdy ho.
Look at that. Hot diggity dog. Boy, that guy just moving on along. He ain't had to do none of that unnecessary stuff. Boy, I like to drop the boat. Good. Good, good move. Look at that, look at that.
You got paid. You got it on that one, man.
Yeah.
You ain't done yet though, so I ain't worried about it. You ain't done yet.
I'm done. This thing has been.
You know, it would have been nice if you would have gave me one of them boats so I can go match it up for you.
I don't need you to match it.
All right, no problem.
See what you're saying? I'm a boat goddess. I know all about these boats. Tear it up then.
All right, while Billy Bob tighten up those bolts, I'm gonna go get another bolt so we can put in there. We're gonna tighten that up. We'll be right back. All right, go, man.
All right, guys and girls. We got the fan tightened up. So what you want to do is grab your hose. You want to put it right back in the same trail it came from. Don't make no sense in doing it wrong. Push it back into your little seam. If you have to pull it a little bit more, you know, to make sure you got enough room to go back on your reservoir, that's what you do. Now, boom, choke it together.
Spin the fan, man. Let me see. I want to know.
Look at that, tight. It's tight this way because once you driving, the fan is automatically turning. Once the car gets to a certain temperature and it kicks in, it speeds up, so it needs to lock in.
I ain't asked for no lesson.
Well, I mean, hey, I'm just letting you know. I mean, hey, on the man.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys and girls, there you have it. How to replace the fan clutch on a 92 Ford Ranger. Now, what I want you to, the lesson I want you to take away from this is that something that I've always tried to tell you guys. There is no right or wrong way of doing things as long as the end result is that vehicle is fixed like it's supposed to. Many times I've gotten into arguments with and criticized because I cut people off or ban them on our channel because they try to tell me how to do something and I did it my way and it came out better than what they did. And Billy Bob just proved that to you. He did it his own way, even though I was telling him, and I'm supposed to be his teacher. I'm telling him to do it one way. He did it his way, didn't lose no antifreeze, and it didn't have to take off the belt, and he did it with one person. Check that out. That's a good lesson to learn.
And one hand.
And one hand. What you mean one hand?
Because I just used that one hand for the
tension. So that's still two hands. That's still two hands. Man, I'm trying to give you credit, man. I'm gonna throw this 10mm at your forehead.
A shame on me.
All right. But don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something or that you're doing it wrong. If you're satisfied with the end result, then that's all that matters, right? All right, any kind of questions or comments, be sure to put them in the comment section below. Down there, right below Lynn.
Oh, hold on. Let me get that. Where?
Yeah, right down there.
Oh, down there.
Down there.
In the link.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or you can email me at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Guys and girls, this is Timmy and Billy Bob from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it,
nobody can.
Take it easy.